Mirage is live. You can now generate energetic, high-converting ads with people that don't exist, complete with animated body language and micro-expressions. Mirage, the first foundation model built to generate UGC-style content. Get started with a script or an audio file, then specify the look of your spokesperson, their background, outfit, objects, and even emotion. It's never been easier to iterate and scale ad production with Mirage, now available in Caption's Ad Studio. Follow the link in the description to get started.
AI, friend or foe?
Did you notice that I'm AI generated?
Stop scrolling and listen up.
I tried this viral ring light so you don't have to.
I tried this viral ring light so you don't have to. I tried this viral ring light so you don't have to. I tried this viral ring light so you don't have to.
Guys, these under-eye patches changed my life.
This is about to blow your mind.
Stop wasting your money on the wrong supplement.
The era of lip syncing is over.